far beyond the calm night sky we see from Earth. Entire galaxies are slowly drifting through the vast emptiness of space, moving toward each other on paths set billions of years ago. What appears peaceful and silent when we look up from our planet actually hides some of the most dramatic, violent, and transformative events unfolding anywhere in the universe. Over unimaginable spans of time, lasting billions of years, gravity quietly but relentlessly pulls these vast cities of stars closer together, driving them toward encounters that cannot be avoided. What this video explores happens when galaxies collide. Not in sudden explosions, but through long, patient cosmic processes. Galaxies are enormous systems, made of stars, planets, gas, dust, and invisible dark matter. They are separated by vast of distances, yet gravity ensures that many them are never truly alone. When two galaxies begin to approach each other, the process unfolds so slowly that no living observer could watch it from start to finish. At first, the galaxies appear unchanged as they draw closer across millions of light years. Their outer regions begin to feel each other's gravitational pull long before any visible contact occurs. Stars inside each galaxy continue orbiting their centers, unaware of the future disturbance. From a distance, the galaxies still look stable and well organized. As time passes, gravity starts to stretch and distort their shapes. Long streams of stars and gas are gently pulled outward, forming glowing bridges between the galaxies. These structures grow over hundreds, millions of years, reshaping the familiar spiral and elliptical forms. The galaxies begin to lose their original symmetry as gravity rearranges their internal balance. Despite the term collision, individual stars almost never crash into one another. The vast spaces between stars are so large that direct impacts are extremely rare. Instead, gravity does the real work, redirecting stellar orbits like a slow cosmic dance. Gas clouds, however, behave differently and play a major role in what follows. As clouds of gas begin to compress and interact, new regions of activity emerge. Pressure builds inside these clouds, setting the stage for future change. The approaching galaxies are now connected by gravity, and their fate is shared. What begins as a distant attraction will eventually transform both galaxies forever. As the galaxies move closer, their gravitational interaction becomes stronger and more disruptive. The paths of billions of stars slowly change as the balance of forces inside each galaxy is disturbed. Some stars are flung outward into long, looping paths, while others fall inward toward denser regions. These changes happen gradually, but they permanently alter the structure of both galaxies. The greatest transformations occur within massive clouds of gas and dust. When these clouds collide, they compress and heat up under intense pressure. This compression triggers bursts of star formation on a scale rarely seen in isolated galaxies. Entire regions light up with young bright stars forming at accelerated rates. These periods of rapid starbirth are known as starburst phases. They can consume vast amounts of gas in a relatively short cosmic time. New stars form in clusters, flooding their surroundings with radiation and stellar winds. This energy reshapes nearby gas clouds and can slow down or shut off further star formation. At the same time, shock waves ripple through the interstellar medium. Gas is heated to extreme temperatures and pushed into complex flows. Some material is driven toward the galactic centers, while other material is expelled outward. The internal environment of each galaxy becomes chaotic and unstable. Near the centers, supermassive black holes respond to the incoming flood of matter. As gas spirals inward, these black holes grow more active and energetic. They release powerful radiation that can outshine the combined light of billions of stars. This activity further influences the surrounding galaxy by heating and dispersing gas. Over hundreds of millions of years, repeated close passes occur. The galaxies may swing past each other several times before finally merging. Each encounter strips more material and reshapes their forms even further. What once were distinct galaxies now behave as parts of a single evolving system. As the repeated encounters continue, the original shapes of the galaxies become harder to recognize. Spiral arms stretch and fade while orderly rotations give way to random motion. Stars follow elongated and tilted paths no longer confined to flat disks. The system becomes thicker and more three-dimensional with each close pass. Large amounts of gas lose energy through collisions and radiation. This causes the gas to sink toward the central regions of the merging system. As more material gathers in the core, gravity becomes even stronger there. The center grows denser, brighter, and more active over time. Supermassive black holes, at the centers of both galaxies, are now on a slow path toward each other. They remain far apart at first, each surrounded by dense clouds of stars and gas. As the galaxies merge, further these black holes begin to orbit within the same gravitational well. Their motion sends ripples through the surrounding stars, pushing energy outward. Eventually, the two black holes form a bound pair. They circle each other over millions of years, gradually losing energy. This energy is carried away by stars and gas that are flung outward. The core of the new galaxy becomes more compact and tightly bound. During this phase, the galaxy may appear unusually bright and disturbed from afar. Streams of stars arc far into space, marking the path of the merger. Some stars are permanently ejected and drift alone between galaxies. Others settle into new orbits within the growing combined system. The intense activity does not last forever. As gas supplies are used up or expelled, star formation begins to slow. The galaxy starts moving toward a quieter and more stable state. What remains is no longer two galaxies, but the foundation of a single new one. As the merger nears its final stages, the combined galaxy begins to settle. The chaotic motions of stars slowly average out into a more stable pattern. Most stars now move in random directions rather than in neat rotating disks. This shift changes the overall appearance of the galaxy. Over time, the system often takes on a smooth, rounded shape. Many galaxy mergers result in large elliptical galaxies with little internal structure. These galaxies lack spiral arms and show fewer signs of ongoing star formation. Their light is dominated by older, longer-lived stars. The surrounding space also carries lasting evidence of the collision. Faint streams of stars can remain visible for billions of years. These stellar trails act as fossils, preserving the memory of past interactions. Astronomers use them to reconstruct the history of galaxy mergers. The central black holes continue their slow inward journey. As they draw closer, they eventually merge into a single larger black hole. This final union releases energy in the form of gravitational waves. These waves ripple through space and carry information about the merger far beyond the galaxy. With the black holes combined, the galaxy enters a long period of calm evolution. Little gas remains to form new stars, and activity in the core fades. The galaxy now grows mainly through smaller interactions and the steady aging of its stars. Its violent past becomes less visible with each passing billion years. From a distance, the finished galaxy appears stable and quiet. Yet its size, shape, and motion all reflect the ancient collision that formed it. Every merged galaxy carries the story of gravity shaping matter over immense timescales. These outcomes prepare us to understand what awaits galaxies, still on a collision course today. The story of galaxy collisions is not just about destruction, but about transformation. Across the universe, gravity slowly reshapes matter into new and unexpected forms. What begins as two separate systems becomes a single structure with a shared future. These events help explain why galaxies look so different from one another today. Some remain thin and spiral-shaped, while others grow large and rounded. Their differences are records of past encounters written in stars and motion. By studying merging galaxies, scientists learn how cosmic structures evolve over time. Galaxy collisions also reveal the deep connection between visible matter and dark matter. Invisible halos guide the motion of stars and gas during every stage of a merger. Without dark matter, these massive structures would not form or hold together. Each collision provides clues about forces that cannot be seen directly. Our own galaxy is part of this long cosmic story. Far in the future, the Milky Way is expected to merge with a neighboring galaxy. When that happens, Earth will no longer exist, but the process will follow the same rules. Gravity will guide the transformation. just as it has across the universe for billions of years. From slow beginnings to dramatic change, galaxy collisions shape the large-scale universe. They recycle matter, ignite new stars, and build the largest galaxies we observe. Even in apparent chaos, clear physical laws remain at work. Through patience and time, gravity turns motion into structure. If you enjoyed exploring how galaxies collide and transform, consider subscribing to the channel for more calm and in-depth cosmic documentaries. You may also want to watch another video on how gravity shapes the universe on the largest scales. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments to continue the journey.